What I am saying now, nobody is going to play this kind of role. There
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing like action at first. There is in behind the action, there is a three strong pillars.
Your feelings, then your thoughts, then your beliefs, and then that builds up your action. Very strong and positive for what you are going to do, and that builds up your thought, your creative thought on how you are going to do it.
Not only how, there is a why you going to.
Yes,
And
why
why?
also, the
If your
reasoning.
reasoning is so much bigger,
Your mission is bigger than you, then everything is possible
you
for you.
don't try to work for your money. Govindam, Hari Govindam, Govindam, Hari Govindam. Dr. Mahesh Sanga, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How much excited you are?
I'm actually very happy. I'm also very excited to learn to improve my progress. I'm waiting for this session actually.
I am also very excited to talk with you because it's a very long gap.
Actually, I'm really very sorry, sir, because of I could not pick your call. There are some reasons, but now I'm prepared. Actually, during that time I was very happy, and there are some okay. So I yesterday I watched day one video, only one video, but it was really very scientific actually. Previous I attended so many classes, methods, but I understand that video anyone can follow the method blindly, so everyone gets success. It was really actual. It was amazing, and Vardhan Sahu is explained very energetic and excited. It's the complete. I watched that video 3 times, but it is really I did not miss one word also. And she explained, if you want, you can watch more times. I understand that video, but I could not. That it is, I think, 30 minutes, 29 or 30 minutes, but it was awesome, really.
Thank you very much. At first, to explain yourself, who are you and what are your journey till now? Please explain a little.
Yeah, actually, first I need to focus myself first. So the work is do consistently. I'm also actually first I watched that videos of that. Okay, whatever I can. So what concept I understand, I started to making videos. First video and second video, third video. There is difference. You also saw. That is the concept. So first I need to overcome my fear of making videos and shyness. So I thought, okay, first attempt I could not make it properly. I understand it, but I could not because of some I don't know. But if I do it regularly, I will change it. I will change my content and overcome my fear, and it is increase my confidence also. So and I need to, if I how much effort I actually mentioned that levels 10 days, 30 days, but it depends on the person. If you are passion, if you more focus on the effort, you gradually see the success. But I can say confidently, I watching video and making video, that is my success. We
But
can't measure.
One thing is, in last night I am told you that your visibility should be daily on social
Yes, sir.
media. If you are visible, as like you, going to school na in a time daily.
Yes, sir.
Wake up every day.
Ha. As you know, the NLP what says? Regularity in same time. Regularity
Yes.
in same time. Regularity in
Yes.
same time.
Yes, sir.
You should be regular on same time.
Yes, sir.
If you have time on a morning 5 o'clock, then your time should be 5 o'clock to 7 or 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock daily.
Okay, sir.
In between 3 hours, you have to prepare your content, because content you need not to prepare yourself. Whatever I am saying now, whatever in a video, that's a full of magnetic. there is a nothing like a remove or matlab rearrange. No need
Yes.
to rearrange anything.
Okay, sir.
Only the name of the Vardhan, only the name of Shubh Vardhan, you have to place your name.
Okay, sir.
I am Dr. Mahesh Sanga, a psychologist, and working since 2005. And I am a very much professional in a Hyderabad in a medical institute. I am a assistant professor. And this kind of thing you have to put there. Your credibility. Till now, what you do in, what you doing in your society and which kind of services you go, you are providing regularly. And which kind of expertise you carry, which kind of, you need to collect the testimonial from your candidates,
Yes, sir.
how they get cure from your side, for your diagnose, how you diagnose and how you treat and prescribe them, you need to explain yourself, and collect the testimonial. Dr. क्या नाम है उनका, चरण, डॉक्टर चरण सिंह is also a physician, है ना.
Oh.
They are doing, he is also my student. He is preparing their it means there's 50-60 testimonial he is prepare on now.
Okay,
It's a
sir.
credibility. Social media need the testimonial, how the
Yes, sir.
patient get cure from your service.
Yes, sir. Because of I also understand if you appear in every day, you will also more. Because of nowadays, if you have any high qualification degree, but without marketing, social media, digital marketing, you cannot survive. Because of nowadays, everything is digitalization.
आपने 3-4 बातें जान ली. You have to be regular in same time, है ना,
Same time.
है ना.
Okay.
You need to prepare yourself, मतलब visible to social media, है ना.
Yes, sir. Okay.
It's a daily task. You need to be live on social media, on Facebook or WhatsApp, YouTube or whatever, Instagram, है ना. You need to keep yourself live 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, है ना. One
Yes,
very
sir.
essential thing, whenever you start working, don't think seriously. Think something like metaphor, something like play. You are playing with your clients, है ना.
Okay.
Always try to keep smile and give them smile.
Yes, sir.
अरे यार क्या हो गया तेरे को, अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ, देख मैं इधर है ना, तू उधर है ना, ये 1 2 3 gone, everything is clear. You need to, मतलब magical, you need to be have the your a personality type. There is a nothing like a doctorism. Always there is a play,
Okay.
है ना. A
Yes, sir.
metaphor. Always you have to speak, think. Your mundi will be, your head will be this much, Doraemon kind of, है ना. Your body should be a Nagraj, है ना. You have to be power like a Superman or a Spider-Man. What will be happen?
Okay.
This kind of metaphor always you try to speak. If they are
Okay.
Christian, you talk like a Christian, something like. If you like the Mohammedan, you talk like a Mohammedan, something like. If they Hindi scripture, Ganesha. Why the Ganesha have this kind of head? Their ear is,
Yes.
है ना. You need to talk that kind of, मतलब you have to play. In
Yes,
your
sir.
professionalism, you know what I am saying, because you are a
Yes, sir.
psychologist, and how
Yes.
a psychologist work, or how a doctor as a psychologist, मतलब you have the responsibility towards the hospitals, students. It's a way. If you like to establish yourself as a brand, you need to be, मतलब need to create something different.
Something unique.
What I am saying now, you know, nobody is going to play this kind of role. Once
Yes, sir.
you start na, it will be unique for you, and people never, मतलब forget you. They always keep in your mind.
Yes, sir.
So this kind of thing you have to metaphor, मतलब you have to create a movie always.
Creative visualization, you say. Okay.
मतलब every patient has their मतलब if you got that passion na, you need to create a movie with him. Something eye-opening. These 4-5 message you got na.
Got it, sir.
Got it. Now, where is the issue? Why not you? Which kind of help you need from our side so that you can move faster?
Right now I'm very clear actually. Previous links you send it na, that was in Hindi and that is different, but this is okay for me. It is very comfortable, and these videos are links are enough because now actually now I'm very clear. Previous I was trying that videos, but it was making very difficulty, and it is in mixed both Hindi and English, and I had that problem, but that's why I could not, and I have fear of making videos myself. And right now I started this, so this is very comfortable, and now I'm very confident also. So now I'm very clear because of I understand. I watched that script. What is there? Modules also day 1 and day 2. So now I got it, sir. So that is also live actually. Like now we are in virtual, but this is live. But this that video is also recorded. So now I got it very clear. So I understand that the concept first. I need to watch that full video, and I understand the concept, and what I'm understanding, I will make a video, and I will implement the technique. And it is a consistency, and I can create my brand, and I understand you already so many people, successful people follow that method, and they achieve success in their life. So if I apply, I will also get success. So blindly I apply the method. I don't get any thoughts. Follow the mentor what they said. I understand the concept.
Behind every action, we think our action is the first thing. Nothing. There is nothing like action at first. There is in behind the action, there is a 3 strong pillars.
Strong pillars.
Yes.
What is No,
sir. Please explain.
That 3 pillars are your feelings, then your thoughts, then your beliefs, and then that builds up your action.
Okay.
Very much needed. How feel when you think about something, है ना? How
you feel, that matters a lot. That's the first step to instigate your action. So your feeling must be very strong and positive for what you are going to do, and that builds up your thought, your creative thought on how you are going to do it. Okay, and then it strengthens your belief.
Not only how, there is a why you going to.
Yes.
Why?
Also,
if your reasoning is so much bigger, है ना, more than bigger,
Yes.
है ना.
If your mission is bigger than you, then everything is possible.
You don't try to work for your money. If you work for money, how a medicine and capsule get ready in पैसे के लिए? If you keep in front of if you keep money in your mind and try to make a medicine, never going to be taken place a medicine.
Yes, sir.
A successful medicine that cures, because that's a profit-focused approach. But a medicine maker is first, thinking of a problem to solve, and on that problem, it's creating the medicine that will cure it. So it is not money point of view; it's problem solving kind of view. Okay, the reasoning is not money; it's problem solving.
Yes.
There is also a metaphor. There is also something like a manifestation and visualization for you. You need to have yourself in a world super powerful hypnotherapist. You need to have prepare. You need to imagination. At first, you are a president.
Yes.
Living in a Hyderabad president house. And there is a so big premise, and there is a boundary, and in boundary there is a big gate, and their gate is full of commandos. Inside the gate, inside the boundary, there is a big garden, है ना, there is a bungalow and swimming pool and lot of workers there, है ना, working hands there, है ना. So many things.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो बाहर हो जाएगा, मतलब they automatically keep outside, मतलब
Law of attraction.
हाँ, productive, non-productive and super productive. So when you with your bungalow and your office, you always मतलब perform your super productive task, है ना.
Because other random tasks or necessities are taken care by the other members or employees or working hands. Okay.
You need to, है ना, you need to visualize that thing कि you are a something special. Without,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, if you unable to think na, you never got to achieve. You need to achieve, and for the achievement you need to visualize yourself. Where are you?
Yes.
And not, you are not working in a Hyderabad, also you working in a every places of every prominent and matlab famous hospital. There is a visit for you in a month, in a fortnight, in a week, है ना. Every hospital has matlab your name, and because your working style is something different, and your result is a 101% result.
Yes, sir.
And how I am teaching you, your doctorism get next level.
Yes,
Or
sir.
if you feel this, कि I am with Naveen sir and Vardhan ma'am, automatically my performance will be
100x improved, enhanced.
You need to
And you should
program yourself.
Yes, sir. Without mentor, we cannot success because of they already face and they prepare a module.
Mentor you got from your childhood, but that
Yes.
that mentorism is something different. Here is we only focusing on making money.
Yes, sir.
Our only intention is how you get the crorepati in a daily basis. 300
Yes, sir.
CR within a 369 days. It means within a 25 days you need to have 25 crores of business. 300 within a 12 months.
Yes, sir.
We working in a 25 days in a month, then 1 crore in a daily basis. So our intention is that we are going to prove that ki in a day a professional make crores of rupees in a day. 2024 onwards. So
Yes,
our
sir.
goal is clear कि a professional, whoever the professional, but a professional make a crore daily. So it will
Yes,
take
sir.
time क्योंकि every counting start from 1.
Okay, sir.
So you need to have your picture clear.
Program your mind that if you are with Shubh Vardhan, it is like, definitely you are going to achieve this. Okay, so you have to already program it. Okay, that everything is possible and you're going to do it.
इन देरी मतलब हमारे पास जो स्टार्टिंग के फेजेस है ना, वहां पर देयर इज ए हिंदी, बिकॉज
Yes.
इट्स इंडिया एंड हिंदी इज वेरी कॉमन.
And Indian is the primary language is Hindi, but my problem but now also I started Hindi also learning, watching videos. Now I am understanding.
Keep watching, our
नेवर
videos.
नेवर यूज अ नेगेटिव, है ना, वर्ड्स और नेगेटिव थॉट्स इन योर माइंड. हिंदी, व्हाट हिंदी? आई नो हिंदी. You have to मतलब say yourself, your subconscious mind get programmed. हाँ, I know Hindi. What is
Yes, sir.
Hindi? It's a mother tongue in Hindi. So you need to have always, है ना, Hindi. I know Hindi. I know every language because in a NLP there is a mind is suggestive.
Yes.
The mind is
Yes.
suggestive. Then everything is, if everything is energy, then we can replace the energy one place to another place.
Yes.
In hypnotism or NLP or so many matlab therapies, there is shifting when we
Switching.
when we matlab deal souls, atmas.
Yes.
Same thing. As a therapist, I can understand there is a nothing kind of something matlab डरने लायक कुछ है बोल करके. Nothing like a matlab fear. As
Yes,
therapy,
sir.
we can understand, but people don't understand. They haven't that much of intellectuals within. क्योंकि we deal our clients so that we can very much understand there is nothing like this kind of thing. But okay, our motto is the cure the patient,
Yes, sir.
है ना? So which kind of therapy we are going to apply, and that moment it's our expertise.
Yes, sir.
Where is the Paris window? Where is the theta healing? Where is the so many things?
Yes, sir.
The mirror exercise, the water therapy, so many things we have, है ना? So you also, if you like to become a richest doctor, है ना? So in your circle, you are मतलब counted as a number one in terms of money,
Yes, sir.
in terms of good person, in terms of a good doctor,
Visions you create also.
है ना? So at that
Yes, sir.
time, you need to make your in a mind there's a metaphor, and a brilliant, a very great metaphor,
Yes, sir.
है ना? हम लोग इनका कुछ प्रोग्रामिंग कर दें,
Yes. So
ठीक है? We
we are
can
going to get a
play with you, है ना?
Yes, sir.
You need to see 40-degree upwards.
Okay, sir.
You need then you keep some water and open your
specs.
and
Right now, sir.
Right now sit in a relaxed
relax
position.
position.
Lean back and sit. Okay.
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 Got ready.
Remove your specs.
Take some water.
You can sip some water as well.
Just a moment. Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Before starting the session, we need to clear two three things, है ना? You need
Okay, sir.
you know omega.
Omega frequency. There are different layers. Just wait.
You deal na, because as a psychologist, as a doctor.
Yeah, alpha rhythm therapy, this kind of, sir. Alpha, beta.
There's a body has the 7 layer of body.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Once
know.
once just a small recap.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you see this? This is the ultimate consciousness, and this is alpha point. So these
Yes.
above feelings are expanded feelings, and the below red wala feelings, these are contracted feelings that keep you contracted and like closed. Okay, like apathy, guilt, shame, grief, fear, desire, anger, and then after pride, you start to become a little green. Okay, pride, courage, neutrality, with willingness, acceptance, reason, love, joy, peace, enlightenment. These are expanded feelings, okay, that make you expanded, okay, and so that you are able to expand yourself, grow yourself, and reach your ultimate consciousness. So every time you need to have a feeling of these above things, okay. Whenever you are stuck in anger, desire, fear, grief, like you fear, you said you are underconfident and you fear. So when you feel that you are fearful, then you just switch it to love or acceptance, okay. Like you don't fear your language, then Hindi or anything, you accept it that it's a language, it's my mother tongue, and I'm going to do it, okay. So just
Okay.
shifting your feelings, because the first thing is feelings, then thought, then belief, and then action. Okay, so first you have to work on your feelings. Okay,
Okay.
this is one thing, and then there are
You
layers
need
of
to be
body.
a conscious.
Yes.
You never going to talk about any negative language, any negative words.
Okay, sir.
From now, everything is stopped. You are in a police station. कुछ नहीं, आपको कुछ नहीं सोचना है, आपको जो बोलेगा वही सुनना है.
Okay, sir.
So these are 7 layers, and these are 5 koshas actually. First, let me show you the 5 koshas. You know about the 5 koshas. First one is your outer body, physical, which is Annamaya Kosh, physical, then Pranamaya Kosh, then Manomaya Kosh, okay, emotional body, then Vigyanmaya Kosh, wisdom body, then Anandmaya Kosh, the bliss wala body, okay. And then your 7 layers are about your 7 chakras, okay. your first from root chakra, then sacral chakra, then solar plexus chakra, then your heart chakra, okay, then throat chakra, then your this third eye between your eyebrows, and then your crown chakra above. Okay, the 7 layers. All right, so these you have to be clear first. All right, because these are the things that, well, like if you focus on, if you are conscious of, then you can be like anything you want in any situation. Okay,
We can say
you're
na,
like flexible.
we can say always, we are always telling in our sessions, in our classes, we have the Panchmukhi Hanumanas within us. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So that Asht Siddhi and Navnidhi, we can always with the Asht Siddhi and our layer of body, our aura is always with us. Then
Yes.
only one thing is there, how to portray ourselves in front of anyone. है ना? Character building as well as rapport building. So
Yes.
if my character is strong, then automatically my rapport will be strong, and rapport can create my brand also. Get
Yes,
it?
sir.
Na? So
Yes,
our
sir.
branding, how bigger I am as my brand, because we need to, because 300 CR or 1 CR in a daily basis is not a one person task. It's a team. It's a team task. You need to have your brand and their ecosystem also. है ना? There is a testing center. There is so many tools are available in a scientific manner. You need to have your clinic. There is a scientific instruments also. There is a, है ना, employee. There is a something, है ना? So many things. There is a branches also. You need to have the franchise model. So many things we are going to impose, है ना, with you. So
Yes, sir.
you have to prepare yourself. You are not only doctor, you are an entrepreneur also. You are a problem solver also in terms of both way. In a coin, there is a two part. There is also, you are a true part. There is a entrepreneurship and doctor as well.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Because our initial target is a 1 CR daily, but is not our till that target. 100 CR, 300 CR daily. In this field, we can complete this. We can do this.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
At first, keep relaxed and take your breath in and out.
Okay,
At
sir.
first, see the 40 degree, any bulb or tube light.
Okay, sir.
Any point on the wall, if you are able to see. You can, keep your mobile somewhere, your phone somewhere, like static way.
Okay.
No disturbance at all.
Don't hold it, keep it. Yes, just keep it somewhere. But you have to, cover yourself in the camera. Like full coverage we want. Adjust it somewhere that we are able to see you. Okay. Okay. Little bit in the middle you come. Fine. Great. Be in a relaxed state. Look up 30 to 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Look up,
See.
focus, see. Now you feel your eyes are getting heavier. Feel your eyes getting heavier.
Take breath.
Breathe deeply. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in with all the positivity around. You are taking every good vibration, every positive vibration within yourself as you breathe in. You're feeling very relaxed as you breathe in, and breathe out each and every negativity that you have inside yourselves. Breathe it out. Breathe it. You can see when you breathe in, you take every positivity inside. When you breathe out, there is a black air that's coming out of your nose. That's coming out of your nose with all the negativity, all the vikars from your body is getting removed, getting released. You're feeling relaxed. It's getting released. And you're feeling very relaxed. Your eyes are getting heavier. Getting heavier. On the count of 3, you will close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. And now you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Great. Great. You're feeling very relaxed and you're deep and you are breathing very deep. Deeper. Inhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You're feeling very calm, very relaxed. Now, you are ready to move inside your body. You are ready to feel very relaxed, remove every negativity, and fill yourself with all positivity. You will be following my commands right now. As I say, now feel an energy ball in your heart center. Feel an energy ball in your heart center. It's a white color energy ball. It is carrying all your energy. It is your representation. You're feeling it in your heart center. You are very calm, very relaxed. The energy ball is traveling downwards. You can feel it in your solar plexus. You can feel it in your solar plexus. Now, you can feel it in your sacral chakra. You can feel it below your navel. You can feel the energy ball below your navel. Now, you feel it near your pelvic area in your root chakra. You can feel the energy ball. Now, you feel the energy ball in your thighs. You feel the energy ball in your thighs. Feel the energy ball. Now you feel it in your knees. Both the knees are getting relaxed, calm, and you're feeling the white color energy ball in your knees. Now getting into your calf muscles getting relaxed, calf muscles relaxed. Now it is going more deeper, getting more down in your foot area. You can feel both your feet are relaxed, and now your energy ball is ready to get inside the earth's core, the earth atmosphere. Your energy ball is traveling more deeper, more deeper. You are more relaxed. You are breathing more deeply. And now, 3, 2, 1, you enter into the earth atmosphere. You have entered into the earth atmosphere. You are inside the earth's crust. You are traveling. You are going ahead, more deeper, more relaxed. You are going more deeper, more relaxed. Now you are able to see a big gate, a golden gate. You are able to see a golden gate. This gate is of Dharti Ma, the Mother Earth, who is going to bless you with everything you want, with your dreams. She is going to fulfill all your wishes, all your dreams. And now you are seeing, you are able to see that the gates are opening. The gates are opening just for you. The golden gates are opening. You are able to see the golden gates are opening because you are on a mission to work for humanity. You are on a mission because you want to serve to the humanity, and thus Mother Earth is going to bless you with all the powers, all the energies that will help you complete this mission. You are getting ahead. All the members are welcoming you. You are very happy. You're very happy. You're very happy. You're getting ahead, going more deeper, more closer to the gate. You're entering it. Now you see a red carpet. on which you are taking your feet up, your next step, your next step. Step 1, on the red carpet you are walking and you are getting nearer, you are getting closer to Mother Earth. You can see her sitting right there on the throne. You can see, and you are getting ahead. You're going more deeper on the red carpet. You're walking, walking. Yes, going ahead, going ahead, going ahead. And now, Mother Earth is now welcoming you. You're very happy, you're feeling blessed, you're feeling abundant, because now Mother Earth is going to bless you with all the powers, all the energies to help you serve the. You're getting ahead and you see Mother Earth. Mother Earth is seeing you, Mother Earth is watching you. You're getting more closer to her and you can feel her hands. You can see her hands are getting onto your head. And now you have bent down, you bow down to her, and now you're touching her feet. You can feel the urging. Breath. Stay calm, stay relaxed, go more deeper. You're touching Mother Earth's feet. You're touching Mother Earth's feet. You're feeling blessed, happy, abundant. Abundant like you have achieved everything in your life. Abundant as you have achieved everything in your life. Now every worries, every tension is getting released. You're feeling very light that you will fly right now. You're feeling very light and you can feel Mother Earth's touch in your head. On your head, you can feel it and you're very relaxed and calm. And now, Mother Earth is opening up a television over there, a chamatkari television, a magical window where here you see, oh my God, this is you. This is you walking onto a red carpet and this is you. A lot of people are there. They are there waiting for you because they are getting inspired from you. They are getting impacted from your work. There are a lot of media people. Mother Earth is showing you your picture, that you are there on the red carpet. You are on the top of the world. There are a lot of people over there who are waiting just for you because they believe that you are their leader, you are their helping hand, you are there for them to solve their problem, and you are there to change their lives, to cure them. You can see eyes of the people there. They are all filled with tears because they are meeting with you, and it's a kind of dream come true for them. You are such a blessing to all of the people because you carry that expertise. There you can see a lot of interviewers, media personalities. Those are there to welcome you, those are congratulating you, and now they are asking you that what magic do you do with all the people, all your clients, all the patients, and they are just getting cured. Oh my God, it's a very abundant moment for you. You're feeling very happy, very blessed to serve this kind of, things, and you're doing these kind of stuff, and you're serving these many people, and you're helping, impacting on a very bigger level, on a global level. You can see the interviewers are not just from India, but from all rounds of the world. You can see there a Chinese kind of face. You're seeing people from Kenya, from Korea, from Africa, from all rounds of the world, from America, and you're very happy that you've created this kind of an impact. You're feeling very blessed, very abundant, and you are feeling very powerful right now. that you are very much motivated and very much clear to help more and more people with your expertise. You're more and more confident, more and more powerful. You're feeling very much blessed, very happy, very happy. You're feeling very happy. And now you are smiling like anything. You're smiling with all the happiness within you. You're very happy. And now you are having a big smile on your face, big smile on your face, big smile on your face. Yes, right now, big smile on your face. And now Dharti Ma, the Mother Earth, is now offering you some very delicious and powerful things to eat and drink that will help you get more powerful and help more people. It's kind of an energy drink, some magical drink. You are able to smell it. You are very much excited that what kind of powerful syrup is this? And Mother Earth is now calling you, and you are getting ahead, you're getting more deeper, you are able to see the whole bunch of drinks there. You are able to see various varieties of drinks, various colors, and you are able to smell all of them. And it's in a golden container, it's in a golden container, it's shining. And now Mother Earth herself is offering you a glass of that magical water, that magical drink, in a golden glass. It's a golden glass tumbler, and it is heading over to you. And you are now carrying the glass, and you have started drinking. As you start drinking, you're feeling all your body filled with positive vibrations. You're feeling all your body from your head to your toe filled with positive vibration, speedy positive vibration, speedy tingling vibrations. You're able to feel your body getting more powerful, more motivated, more clearer. And now you are very relaxed, very happy. You're feeling that you are the richest person, abundant person, and you carry all the expertise to cure everyone, all the impact you have all the confidence in yourself. And now you are very happy that you've got all the power to help globally, to help a lot of people, to serve, to give back to the humanity. You're so much powerful right now. Now, this is going to be your journey towards the big treasure. Now, Dharti Ma, the Mother Earth, is showing you a bigger picture, and you are seeing your whole team, your different franchisees, your different hospitals opening, different areas, different globally. You are serving your franchisees, helping more people in remote areas, in different corners of the world. You are able to see Dr. Mahesh Sangha, the impactful person, the leader who is impacting, who is inspiring, who is curing, who is serving to the humanity. And you're feeling very blessed, very happy. This is the happiest moment of your life. You're feeling on the top of the world, on the seventh sky, and you are right now on the cloud 9. And now this is your journey towards the big treasure. And now you are seeing that your position is established, your brand is established, and you can see yourself on a bigger screen globally. And you step ahead, you breathe more deeper, everything around is very pleasant. You're feeling very happy, very relaxed, and you are feeling that you are getting more ahead. You're taking your one step ahead, then you're taking your second step, and you're moving towards the bigger treasure. Now you're moving ahead. You can see there's some golden lightning over there, something shining like a golden box, and you're moving ahead. Step 3, you're moving ahead. Step 4, you're getting more closer to it. You're getting down. You can see some stairs, and now you are getting down into the stairs. Yes, you're going down. You are going down into the stairs. Yes, you can see some great shining things, golden kind of shining things, and you're getting more ahead. Step 5, step 6, more deeper, more relaxed, more happy, more abundant. Step 7, more happier. Step 8, you're getting more closer, and now you're able to see that you're very much close to the treasure box, and it's a golden kind of a treasury, and you're getting more ahead. Step 9 and step 10, and you have reached the treasure box. It's a big box full of treasure, and it's written, your subconscious mind is now full of treasure. It's written your name there, and it's written that this treasury is yours. You are very powerful. You're on the top of the world. You're happy. You're happy, and you're happy. Now you're very relaxed. You're very happy, and you have all the treasure. You're filled with confidence, filled with abundance, and you're feeling like everything is possible for you. You can achieve anything, and you can conquer the world. You can create more impact, and now you are there to put a dent in this universe. And here is your previous birth's treasure. This is your punya karmas from your previous births, and that treasure is filled with all your punyas, all your good karmas, and is now ready to serve to the humanity, and you're getting more powerful, more abundant. Now you are feeling that your body is covered with a golden layer of light that is protecting you from any kind of disturbance or any kind of distraction or any kind of negativity, and you're very much feeling powerful that if anything may come, any challenge may come, you are too much powerful to protect yourself from those challenges and to overcome it. You are able to feel a protective shield, a golden color light around your full body, around your body, covering you and keeping any kind of disturbance miles away from you, not even getting closer to you. It's miles away from you, and inside that golden ball you can see yourself happier, abundant, confident, powerful, and now you are able to see a bigger picture of you creating a ripple effect on this planet. Now your family is happy, your teams are happy, your clients are happy, and you are feeling very blessed. You're feeling very arranged, organized, clear, and your kids, children, your mother, your wife, your family, you are able to see a big smile on each and everyone's face. Your clients, everyone is having a big smile because of your achievement, because of your power to help more people, to change more lives. Everyone is happy, not just you. You can see the whole world is smiling. Everyone is talking about you, that how you are creating a ripple effect in their lives in this world. And now this is your journey, and you're very blessed, very happy, and you're very happy and getting back to this world. Now Mother Earth is giving you the blessings. Mother Earth is again now is hugging you, and you can feel Mother Earth, and she is again saying some magical words to you that it's done, It's done. It's done, and you are there. And now, on the count of 3, you will get back and see that this world is very much ready for you, to accept you, and to love you for your work, for who you are. And now, this magical thing you are going to, this magical energy that's right now within you, you're going to share it with everyone else, and you are going to create magic in this world. So, on the count of 3 now, 1, 2, 3, you open your eyes slowly. Slowly, you open your eyes slowly, and you are able to feel this whole world is for you, for waiting for your cure, waiting for your impact, waiting for your leadership, and waiting for you because you are going to change their lives. And how you are feeling, Dr. Mahesh? Unmute.
Actually, I was imagine whatever you said. It was crystal clear. I found it. I saw whatever you said, imagination. But I feel some energetic. Really, I feel it. I have it.
You felt
And
it? The energy?
yeah.
That's what's
Yes.
required. You have to give this frame to yourself, reprogramming yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I got it. Actually, this is real. I was see the people how they are receiving me, and
You are able to
we're
see the bigger
walking on
picture.
the red carpet, and how I was giving service to people, what they are seeing, the blessings on their faces and everything. So I was found it actually that when I entered that energy ball, I was feel some energetic really. And lastly, you said golden ball, and everything I was try to imagine. I need to practice it more, but I feel some positive vibes. So it really work. So we need to give that positivity every day in our brain. You train. How you train, you will become like that.
At first, you
Positive.
understand that we are treating you. We are who we
Yes,
are.
sir.
We are,
Yes, sir.
we are already blessed.
Yes, sir.
You are not treating by the 55 or 60 or 70-year-old personality. You are treating by the 15-year-old girl.
Yes, sir.
You have to understand that in this age, if she has that much of clarity and she has their vision, then you can understand they are already blessed. A blessed person is giving you the environment to bless yourself.
Yes, sir.
Because of your last birth, Pun Karmas is within you. Your subconscious mind has everything.
Yes,
Your
sir.
every karmas is matlab counting, है ना? So that you are in these duties and responsibilities, and you are attracting us, है ना? And I am treating you, है ना? You need to have your vision and mission bigger than you always.
Yes,
Never
sir.
think about the money, because money is a byproduct. When you think about the money, you think, what is money? Then
Yes,
you
sir.
feel that money is just a byproduct. When we give the value towards the society, money get attracted
Attracted.
always.
Yes, sir.
You didn't ever think about this treatment has the 1.5 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs of cost. This treatment which I am providing you, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everything has the great impact. So thing is, everything is now you are in that place where is your world-class doctor. Now you have to pay the rent on that position. Success is always rented. You have to be maintained. You have
You are
to
a deserving candidate, then only that success will be with you. Otherwise, if you stop proving yourself deserving and paying rent to stay at that top level, then success will leave you. Okay, and you
Yes.
will downfall. Okay.
So always keep in your mind that your body not carrying blood, your body carrying the law, the system, which is we are going to inject in you, है ना? Missing. All blood is gone, and the rules and regulation and terms and condition and decorum and custom and duties, everything is within you like a blood.
Your dharma, your duty is in your blood right now.
है ना, मतलब blood is replaced by the this kind of, है ना, arrangements. So you
Yes, sir.
always you think like a authority. Don't think you are just a doctor and you have your charges like a fee. No, never think about that. People give you anything if you cure them, है ना, and
Yes.
get it now.
Yes, sir.
Another play is you know Paris Window.
No, I don't know, sir.
How?
Sir, Paris Window. Can you
Paris-
explain, please?
It's about discovering how you feel. So you are meta questioning yourself. Like you are not doing it. Your subconscious mind actually, discovers or like gulps out, whatever you
Yeah.
have inside.
Magic window, right?
Magic
You
Window
said-
is also Magic Window or Paris Window is also now you meeting your subconscious treasure.
Okay.
Now, in this play, in this act, you will be meeting your subconscious mind's hidden treasures, and your subconscious mind will, discover it. Okay. So, as I ask questions, as I give triggers, okay. So, right now, what you have to do is you have to tell your problem or let's
No,
say
no.
your desire in
Your
one
problem
line.
is one line desire here. You like to be a brand, a super magnetic, powerful psychologist. World
Yes, I want. Yeah.
top, world first, world top psychologist, है ना,
Yes, sir.
who is renowned, who is recognized by the whole 7 billion population.
Right now, actually, no one previous Sigmund Freud.
Sigmund Freud.
So,
na?
world renowned. Actually, he's not a psychologist, but he's a father of psychologists. Nowadays, everyone is following his theories only. Right now, that is also his theories. Also conscious, subconscious, unconscious. Everyone is following his theories on Sigmund Freud only.
Mhm.
No one can reach like him. Still following.
Forget is the past. Present is
Yeah.
Mahesh Sangha, and Mahesh Sangha going to create another history.
Another discovery, you're going to create another kind of
Because
fusion.
you are with Subvardhan, so that it will going to happen, because you are going to research, and now your journey is start. From today,
Yes.
your journey is start for researching, and now you are going to retain so many books, है ना, more than Sigmund Freud, है ना.
Okay.
So don't think he is superior. He passed. You are present,
Okay.
and you are going to create a future. So
Okay, sir.
don't think that thing we are inspired from him, but it's not an end. We are going to establish another
Yes.
benchmark.
Yes.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
ready? Are you ready to create another benchmark?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready. I'm ready.
है ना? Okay. If your vision is not bigger na, then never going to be taken place.
Yes, sir.
Right now, whatever sir told you, that you have to keep in mind and make notes and program yourself daily with that. Okay, because
Yes.
these are some core points, that if you core concepts, that if it's inside your head, you will always be very clear and eager to move ahead. Otherwise you'll feel demotivated or unclear. So it is very important to keep everything like this programmed in your head. Okay.
It means your mind always getting ready for the pay for every moment, every step. You are ready to pay the cost of everything. Then thing will taken place automatically. No.
Investing
Okay.
your
So
energy,
it's a
time.
positioning of mind.
Yes.
No bargain into sabji market, no bargain in the cloth market, no bargain in nothing.
State of mind, higher state of mind that you have to build.
Okay.
Never think about the money. Money is always byproduct. Is the whenever you putting the value towards the society, now money get attracted automatically. It's a मतलब प्रकट है ना, प्रकट होने वाली थिंग है ये. क्या बोलते हैं प्रकट होना को? इमर्ज होता है. क्या होता है?
It emerges.
ठीक है ना. तो ऑलवेज
Okay.
मनी इज इमर्जेस. तो आपको प्रकट होती है, लक्ष्मी माँ प्रकट होती है. तो आपको उसको दौड़ के पकड़ना नहीं है कि मैं नहीं पकड़ूंगा तो भाग जाएगा, नहीं नहीं.
Wherever you are in the right position, it emerges
मतलब
itself.
there is a three segment: pre-production, production, and post-production. As the entrepreneur, you are going to pre-plan the scripted life. Your signature not is a signature now. Your signature going to become a autograph. You are a celebrity. At first, you understand you are a celebrity. मतलब your brand is that much of powerful. You are counted as a celebrity, है ना? और thing going to take in place. मतलब pre-production. Now you are starting your pre-production. We are consisting your pre-production part. We are planning. Now you are
Okay.
when you start our journey, learning journey. That time you have understand that how thing will मतलब place, how thing will rearrange for Mahesh Sangha, है ना? Then creation part is there. When you create the problem, मतलब the capsule, है ना? When you create that capsule, then we are going another part that call a marketing, ad world, perception
Yes.
management, perception creation, है ना? When Mahesh Sangha when create a capsule, the problem, है ना? The bridge into the gap, that is a totally problem solver. People when walk that bridge, then pay the toll tax.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको मेन बात समझ में आ गया ना, दिमाग ओपन हो गया कि आपका
Yes,
विजन
sir.
और आपका जो अलाइनमेंट है ना, वो सब बड़ी चीजों के लिए, छोटी चीजों के लिए नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
सवेरे 5 से लेकर के 8 बजे तक का टाइम लर्निंग, और वो लर्निंग फेज में आपके बच्चे अभी आपको डिस्टर्ब करेंगे 7 दिन 10 दिन, बट वो बच्चे फिर आपके साथ बैठ के पढ़ाई करेंगे. यानी योर जर्नी नॉट अलोन. योर जर्नी में जब आपका नियति की माँ है, योर इंटेंट इज एवरीथिंग. योर नियत, योर फीलिंग, इफ यू आर अ ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्ट, देन योर विजन इज विथ योर मिशन. तो योर विजन इज मतलब मिशन गेट अलाइंड विथ योर वाइफ, योर किड्स, योर एवरी पर्सन become a part of that mission. So
Yes.
don't worry, automatically thing will happen.
Okay, sir.
Your intent should be pure always, 24/7.
Yes, sir.
Now we are start our Paris window, है ना? As you meet with your subconscious treasure, है ना?
Okay.
अभी जस्ट आपकी मुलाकात हो चुकी है अपने ट्रेजर से. आपने ट्रेजर में देख लिया, आपका नाम भी लिखा था, सारी पूर्व जन्म के कर्मास भी थे उसमें. यानी प्रीवियस 108, प्रीवियस 500 साल, 500 जन्म आपके पहले, आपकी जो भी चीजें थी, आपके जो फीडिंग्स है ना, PLR, पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन, पास्ट लाइफ हैप्पीनेस, एवरीथिंग इज इन
Yes, sir.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. यू कैरी, यू आर ऑल्सो अ हिस्ट्री.
Yes.
You carry your history within you. Now how you grow, we will find.
Okay, sir.
How you step will, है ना, ahead, you how you going to forward your step, you got that answer. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Question is, our subject is, we are going to deal, you are a world class psychologist. Mahesh Sangha is a world class psychologist, a brand. ठीक है?
So sentence it. We'll be writing the question as Mahesh Sangha as a world-class brand or world-class psychologist. We have to cover it in 3 to 4.
Clinical psychology. Psychologist before and clinical.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So
I am
a world-class clinical psychologist.
as a brand. I am a brand in clinical psychologist.
I am a world-class clinical psychologist brand.
हाँ.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So now what you have to do is I have written I am a world-class clinical psychologist brand. ठीक है. अभी इन सब में I have drawn a line. Abhi I'll be asking you for words. ठीक है. You'll give me words, non-stop words. Okay. Like this, I've drawn lines, and now I'll be triggering you, and you'll be telling words like बिना सोचे समझे. ठीक है. Whatever comes to your mind, don't think much. within few seconds, 1 second, 2 second, you'll be telling words, whatever comes to your mind, okay? And I'll be writing those words. But just remember, those words cannot be repeated, okay? Cannot be the same time, at the same time, you cannot use opposite words. Like once, if you said once happy, then you cannot say sad, because those are opposite. Or if you once said anger, you cannot say calmness, because these are opposites. After few moments, if it comes, then we'll see, okay? You don't have to think much, whatever comes you see. And if you are saying happiness, then you can't say happy, because both same meaning, okay? So
Yes, yes.
don't repeat, don't use same meaning words, don't use opposite words, okay? And don't use any furniture like sofa or window or bed,
Or
okay?
any personality.
Almirah. Or don't use any person's name, okay?
Okay.
And also place
Take
name.
yourself 10,000 year back. Take yourself 10,000 year back and image whatever thing is there. Only nature is there. Pani, parvat, matti.
Your
Hai na?
feelings are there, okay? You can name your feelings, a process or systems or anything from the nature or any kind of words that come to your mind. बस जगह का नाम नहीं होगा, place नहीं होगा, any person's name नहीं होगा, ठीक है? Same words, opposite words and repeated words नहीं होगा, okay? ठीक है? Furniture का नाम नहीं होगा, this thing. Okay. Now, like I say I.
Feeling. Feel.
What
Say.
do you feel when I say I? Tell one word.
I means ice, right?
I am.
I am.
Yeah, I'm great.
Great. Okay. World class.
Successful person. World top
Okay.
most successful.
Successful person. Clinical.
Yes. Clinical. I'm world topmost clinical psychologist.
World's top clinical. Okay. Psychologist. A word that comes to your mind when I say psychologist.
Great clinical psychologist in the world.
Great हो गया.
That same thing, same meaning हो गया.
Great आपने use कर लिया. Another.
Any other word that comes to your mind? Anything faster. Any word you say. Psychologist.
So,
Any word you say. Yes.
Researcher.
Researcher. ठीक है. Okay. Brand. Any word you say. Brand. What comes to your mind or what you feel?
Brand means whoever come to me, they hail positive way.
Just a moment. No use of any
Yeah.
mind. Word against word. Word against word. No use any mind.
Means yeah.
No use any mind. Brand.
Instantly say whatever comes.
Maybe. Brand. My kids. कुछ भी. Whatever. हाजिर जवाबी. फटाफट.
Okay. Brand.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. ठीक है. Intelligence. Any next word you say.
Okay. Voice.
Voice. Okay. Next word. Voice.
Decision maker.
Decision making. Okay. Next word.
Consistency.
Consistency. ठीक है. Next word.
Growth.
Truth. Next word.
Teaching.
Teaching. Next word.
Practicing.
Practicing. ठीक है. Next word. Next word. Anything. Faster.
Learning.
Learning. Next word. Any word you say.
Health.
क्या?
Yes. Oh, I said health.
Health. अच्छा. Okay. Next word.
Mm. Mm.
Anything you say. Any word.
Action.
Action. Okay. Next word.
Implementation.
Implementation.
Yes.
Next word.
Mm. Explore the things. Explore it.
Exploring. Okay. Next word.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Next word.
Mm.
Anything next. Any word that comes to your mind.
Happy relationships.
Happy relationships. Okay. Next word.
हैप्पी एंड रिलेशनशिप अलग अलग करना भाई.
हाँ. Okay. Next word.
Reach more people. Connecting more people.
Reach.
Like
Reach more people and
building network.
building network. Okay. Next.
Showing my face to the external world.
Yes. क्या? Can you repeat?
Showing my face to external world.
Okay. Showing face external world. Okay. Next.
Making videos.
Making videos. Next. Quicker. Whatever comes to your mind. Anything you can imagine. Next.
Servicing people. Servicing to the people.
Servicing to the people. Next. Next word. Next word.
Conducting trainings for mental health.
Conducting
Training programs.
training program.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Next.
Sharing knowledge to the society.
Sharing knowledge. Okay. To the society. Next. Next. Any word. Next.
I'm thinking.
Don't think anything you say. Anything you say.
Traveling.
Traveling. ठीक है. Next. Traveling. Okay. Next.
Next.
Any word.
You can ask. You can say natural thing also.
Any word. Next.
Sky,
Next.
star, galaxy, moon,
Yeah.
everything.
Hmm.
Where your garden.
Wherever your mind goes, just
Hills.
hills. ठीक है.
Hills.
Next. Hills.
Trekking.
Trekking. Next.
Traveling the world. I said it already. Yeah.
Next. Next.
Reading.
Next. Okay. Reading. Next.
Collecting new information.
Collecting new information. Next.
Learning new strategies.
Learning new. Acha, new is that. Strategies. Okay. Next.
Eating healthy food.
Eating healthy. Okay. Next.
Spirituality. Practice spirituality.
Okay. Next.
Gratitude.
Okay. Next.
Positivity always.
Positivity always. Next. Next word. Anything you say.
Yeah. I'm.
Don't think. Yes. Next word. Anything.
I'm not getting.
Family, mom, wife, kids. Everything.
Yeah. Family means
Related to that. Anything.
Need to help parents
Okay, help, parents. Okay, next.
Excuse my close help friends, help to friends, and they are expecting to me in some more employment giving,
Employment giving. Okay, next.
establish more franchises like my centers,
Franchises. Next.
and
Centers.
giving service to the society and getting more results.
More results. Okay, next.
Mm.
Any word. Next.
And charity to the society.
Charity. Next.
That's it.
Next. That's it. Okay, that's it. Also a word. Next. Anything you say.
Any visiting place also, like
Yes.
traveling with the family is
Okay. Family travel. Okay, next.
giving time
Next
to
word.
families.
Giving
Next.
time. Okay, next.
And more focus on growth.
More focus. Next.
And manage the things in a balance.
Manage in balance. Okay, next.
Taking time to for myself, personal growth.
Personal growth. Okay, next.
Reading different books.
Reading already done. So I'll
Yes.
take books. Next. Yes.
Assertiveness.
Assertiveness. Next.
Acceptance.
Acceptance. Next.
No postponement.
Kya? What you said?
Postponement. No postponement.
अच्छा, postponement. Okay. No postponement. ठीक है. Next.
Courage.
Courage. Next word.
Public speaking.
Public speaking. Next word.
Improving communication skills.
Improve. Communication. Skills. Next word.
Next word.
Anything next?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, okay. This is
Appearance.
also a word. Next.
Appearance.
Appearance. Okay, next. Yes, anything.
Change lifestyle.
Change lifestyle. Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Next. Next. Yes, you're there. Next. Anything. Next.
This means
Don't think much. Any word you give. You give right now, you give a word. Don't
I'm
think
not getting.
much. Not
I'm
getting. Okay,
Not
this
getting.
is also a word.
Not getting.
Okay, next word. Any word you say.
confidence, increasing confidence.
Confidence. Okay, next word.
Create awareness about
Awareness. About
my field.
my field. Next word.
Visiting different places for sharing knowledge.
Different.
People are facing so many problems. Sharing my knowledge and conducting some workshops like.
हाँ, that happened. वो आपने बोल दिया. Already told. Next word.
That's it, ma'am. I think.
Think. You said I think. Okay, next word. Next word. Anything. Next. Next word.
Overcome fear. Is it? Can I say?
Overcome
fear.
fear. Okay, you are done. You are done,
Yeah.
and your answer is also there. You see, I've written in, handwriting is not so good, but still, are you able to see? These are
These
your
are my-
words. जो
Oh my
आपने
God.
लिया है अभी, okay? So many
Okay.
words, full one page, and you are very clear, na? I didn't say any word. You uttered everything, okay? You
फर्स्ट ऑफ थिंग, आपने जितनी बातें करी हैं दैट इज टोटली इन प्रेजेंट. फर्स्ट ओवर center alignment, center of focus is your present. Everything is
Yes.
talking, that is in a present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मतलब your mind is full of blessed, because very few people, we are taking so many classes, है ना. You are a first person, their mind is very sharp and clear,
yes.
है ना. It's a thing in this whole journey. Now
Yes, sir.
understand why, Vardhan.
Okay. So I am very glad that I got the very crystal clear answer. Everything, each word you said was given by your subconscious mind. Okay, because you didn't get time to think and use your conscious mind. Did you get the time to think? No, that was like spontaneous words while I was asking. Yes. Okay, that means your conscious mind was not used much, and your subconscious mind was used, and every word you uttered was was in present, or was that you want to do, or that you are going to do. Okay, like you want to be world's first, top clinical psychologist, want to share knowledge, want to take action, want to be health focused, learning, exploring, okay, showing your face to the world, positivity, gratitude, spirituality, strategies, everything was very point shooter, very focused, and this is only that you need to do. But your last lines actually says that there is an obstacle. Okay, you are stuck in fear. Okay, that it will get removed if you follow the main subconscious mind stuff. जो ऊपर में जितना लिखा है ना, that was your reality. Okay, but you stumbled when you was getting to reach the final destination. Okay, so you are with everything, but you are stumbling at the end point. Like everything you have the expertise, you have the knowledge, but you just need to present it to the world, and that is the end point. Okay, matlab you have the pre-production and production, now you are going to do the post-production, which again will refine the pre-production and production part, but this is the end. Okay, and yahan se ant hi आरंभ hota hai. Have you heard this? End is the new beginning. So yahan se you are going to start a great beginning, okay, where there is no role of fear, there is only role of changed lifestyle, good appearance, public speaking, reading more books, gaining more knowledge, sharing more knowledge, getting balance, and you've said assertiveness, that I feel that you somewhere is lacking it. Okay, like आप वो चीज express नहीं कर पा रहे हो that you want to actually express, so that is important. ठीक है, वो आपको subconscious mind has told कि ये चीज आपको करनी है, you have to do it. Okay, so everything
Yes.
जो अभी यहाँ पे you have mentioned, you have to take it into action. Okay, क्योंकि everything is about becoming a brand. You see, you connected with Shubh Vardhan. Before that, you were, like there was no concept about the brand. But here, whatever you said is related to making a big brand, sharing franchises, and playing big. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the reason we connected. Okay, we both connected, and you are in Shubh Vardhan, and this is going to happen. Okay, this is going to make possible. Okay, and this is the reality. It's on paper. Everything you said, it's on paper. Okay, your subconscious mind is, very much clear, and you mentioned everything very crystal clear. Okay.
Now your task is you have to create video, small video,
Yes.
3 or 4 minutes video or 3 videos. and explain all about this, है ना? How your experience.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's audible.
Great. So now it's only one thing you have to see. You have to research, okay? You have to take action. Everything your subconscious mind gave you, relationships, network, okay, conducting trainings and all, everything given. And ये सारी चीजें ही in the course there are there, ठीक है? Step by step is given. You
मतलब
said consistency,
now,
everything.
whatever your subconscious mind saying na, that we elaborating in our panel, है ना?
हाँ.
How we will do the research? How
Each and everything is given in the panel. That means see how connected you are already with Shubh Vardhan. Everything your subconscious mind told right now is step by step structured given in the panel. Okay, that you have to follow.
Okay, ma'am.
you need to have our upper class module, है ना? The diamond membership. So we can audit you in a little interval, है ना?
I'm also
Your audit is must needed because you have everything. You have everything, but you need audit. You need a partner.
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
Always you audit. जैसे 3-month examination, 6-month examination, that kind of thing. But you are not that 3 months or 6 months. You need to 15 days audit. Again, 15 days audit. This audit will take you the next level. है ना?
Okay.
Because your improvement in which part is needed, that should be measured, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you switch your diamond member frequently and start your journey within मतलब fast, मतलब always think fast. कहीं दूसरा engagement आपको नहीं चाहिए. Without of engagement anywhere, you have to focus. 90 days is the enough time to मतलब evolve yourself. Your lifestyle change, your fooding style change, your behavior, your len-den, and every transaction should be totally evolved. मतलब you think whenever you start to perform anything na, you think consciously, think like a celebrity.
Yes. Yes. Got it.
फियर बोल के अपने लाइफ से हटा देना, क्योंकि फियर मैंने आपके सारे अभी जब मैंने मेटा किया ना, जब आपका थीटा हीलिंग किया उस समय मैंने आपके सारे फियर्स को क्योर किया है. अब आपके पास डिस्कम्फर्ट और फियर नाम का चीज बचा ही नहीं. यू आर फुल्ली कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू आर रेडी टू फॉरवर्ड, गो फॉरवर्ड, है ना? बट
Yes, sir.
is up to your choice. Your choice should be always a speed.
Faster decision making, faster choosing. Acha, okay. Now I have told you about the overview, but what matters is the last line. Okay, so last line carries the words different, places, think, overcome, and fear. So overcome and fear right now Papa explained to you. Okay. And
Yes,
different in places and think means that you have to think this is the final line is said to be the final solution. Okay, to cover all of the above things, to implement all of the above things, you just need these 3 to 5 things in the last line, which is overcoming fear, video making, speaking, public speaking. Everything is about overcoming fear only. Okay,
Or
so
this
that-
is need only practice, regular.
only practice need. And
Yes,
then you
sir.
said different means you have to create difference. Only the thing
Difference
stopping
we
you
explained
is
in a very first in a session. We had explained the difference, how you now going to treat your clients. There's a metaphor.
metaphor.
Yes.
The starting of the session only we told how to create unique experience, how to create difference. So different is the main word for you. Then places means you have to expand in places. Okay, so your every solution is in this, and then you have to think about it. Okay, you have to think on it. That means focus on it.
Places means you are not going to visit any
No.
places. You sit just as like me.
And you will
Yes,
serve
sir.
globally. Like I'm here right now, we are here in Rourkela, but treating you in Hyderabad. That means you will not be, stopped by the places.
मतलब
Boundaries.
now you
Okay.
trying to deny the visit. Go with the system and we are treating you.
Online, virtual.
है ना?
Yes. Yes.
If there is something serious, you come to my clinic.
Yes, sir.
Make importance. you are a celebrity. You are not for, है ना? Your own decision, your own rules and regulation. You need to impose your rules and regulation to the market. You need to have the speak. No, it's a time. It's a holiday. It's a time. It's a clinic time. It's a my time. है ना? मतलब always you put the authority.
Yes, sir.
Be assertive about your choices and all. Okay.
मतलब you are not going to available easily.
Easy available नहीं रहना है.
Yes, sir.
And see how static these points are. Places means आप यहाँ शुभ वरदान में हो ही इसलिए ताकि आप places bound ना रहो, ठीक है? Places में आप bound ना रहो, आप online globally serve कर पाओ. So final आपका यही है. You have to be unique, different. You have to go online. That means not binded by the places. You have to think creatively on this thing only. मतलब full focus, full thought here in Shubh Vardhan and creating things.
When you complete your diamond membership fees na, you have to increase your fees also simultaneously.
The fees that you take from your client, you have to increase.
Our so many doctors, they change their.
Sir, please explain, sir. Voice is talking. Can you repeat once again, please?
Our so many doctors, they increase their fees. है ना? Dr. Meenakshi Agarwal, in our record, he is telling कि 100 times he changed their fees. Dr. Sunita Kothari is also changing their fees. है ना? मतलब he charges 100 rupees. Now he charges 200 rupees.
Okay, so as you upgrade with us, you will also increase your fees. That's what we were telling.
Now your task is 3 video at a time. Now you're sitting and you start recording and share in a group. है ना? What you're feeling and in a classified manner. 3 video or 4 video or 5 video you can say. But video size should be near about 3 minutes. Okay then.
So, okay, sir. Yeah, I will do it, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm very happy.
Okay, all the best.
So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.